What does the season spring mean to you? For me, it is this beautiful concert of birds chirping, birds that came back from the south. Spring is also about my birthday and the warm, sunny days I've missed during the cold, dark winter days. Although I love winter, I do wait for spring to come. The warming sun invited me outside for some work that I had in mind. My grandpa made 4 birdhouses for me and my brothers, so I decided to finally put them up in the trees. As the old birdhouses, which were hung by someone many years ago, are all rotten and are no longer fit for birds to live anymore. We enjoy observing birds through our kitchen window, and to keep these birds near us, we must make the environment attractive. Leave some bird feed and introduce some housing. In the park, which is right beside our home, we cleaned up lots of old leaves and branches, so the environment looks way different than in the other parts. I think our side is too empty. That's why I have plans to plant a few different types of bushes and creepers. This tree was broken down by wind, so I'm gonna put in some nails. I would say this birdhouse is very well made. The wood is still pretty good, only the floor is missing. I do want to make a few more birdhouses, but this time for an owl and a bat. Those houses require different measurements for entrances and so on. I have previously spotted both the owl and the bat somewhere around our home, and I would be so happy to know that somewhere around our area there is a bat or an owl living in the birdhouse that I've made. So I've took this hook from the old birdhouse, which is rotten, and put it on this one, and I will see how well this hook will keep the birdhouse in the tree. I haven't seen this technique anywhere else, so it will be an interesting try. Anyway, if you did enjoy this video, could you do me a favor and subscribe to my channel? It would help me a lot by keeping me motivated. Thank you.